Ahmedabad airport. Today I plan to go to Nimba Nature Cure, which is a wellness retreat, and I'm going to spend 10 days over there. This is the Ahmedabad airport. Just have a look. Just so you know, Nimba Nature Cure is 2.5 hours away from Ahmedabad. It's in Mehsana. So I'll probably grab an Uber from here. Let me figure out and then come back to you guys. Before I start my journey to a 10-day detox, I feel like having my last coffee. I'm sure in detox you're not allowed coffee, tea, or anything maybe related to milk products also, because in a lot of cases milk products do give you bloating, and if you are lactose intolerant, then definitely it's not allowed. So let me see, there's Coco Card over here, there's Tim Hortons. So let me see what can I have. So I've taken my coffee and I'm heading towards my Uber. I've booked an Uber. The Uber cost is around 1,050. It's too humid, it's hot, I'm already sweating. The temperature here is around 40 degrees. Enjoying my coffee, and let's see how it goes for 10 days. 10-day hard detox. Of course it's going to only benefit me. I'll show you once I reach Nimba. treatment is Shirodhara treatment. It helps cure migraines, headaches, and gives, of course, cooling effect, closes all the pores, and strengthens your hair. It is about 20 minutes of oil dripping on your head. This is a knee treatment wherein it strengthens the knee. This is the spa area. Very beautiful. They have different therapies in this spa area. There was a gaushala also over there where we went to feed the cows. It was a very nice experience, and later they had pottery classes also over there. The kind of food that they used to give us, it's basically gluten-free, grain-free diet. Taste was sattvic. There's no use of onions or garlics. It was okay. So Nimba Nature Cure is a place that navigates us to live in sync with nature, and our five senses should be coordinated with the five tattvas that the earth is made up of. It has different therapies depending on your body, what your body requires, and what your purpose is. The minimum stay is of 5 days, and starting cost is 9,500 per person per day for a single occupancy room, which includes all meals and basic therapies. Certain therapies are at a cost, which you can check at their website, which I will link it below in the description box. It is a good place to detox your body and relax your mind and soul in the beautiful nature. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you and goodbye.